Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. And today we are going to be preparing this Chef Boyardee frozen spaghetti and meatballs. Now, if you're like me and you threw out the bag after you cooked half of it, or you just like a visual guide, we're here to help you. We have got everything that we need assembled here. You need, of course, your spaghetti and meatballs. You're gonna need a pan to cook this in, preferably something with deep sides, so that way you're not gonna make as big of a mess. You're gonna need 1/3 of a cup of water, and you're going to need some sort of utensil to stir it up with. And I forgot to bring it out, but you are going to need a meat thermometer to make sure this is done in the end. Whether you are going to be making the full bag or half a bag is basically the same. So let's get started here. We are going to put our skillet onto our stove, turn our heat on to medium-high, and next, we're just gonna go ahead and throw in our pasta and sauces. If you are cooking the full bag, open up all 4 of your pasta sauce pouches and throw in all of your noodles and meatballs. If you're cooking half a bag, open up 2 sauce pouches and roughly estimate about half of your noodles and meatballs. And they also open up really easily right here. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. Now that those are in there, we're going to throw in 1/3 of a cup of water. This is whether you are doing half a bag or a whole bag, it's 1/3 of a cup water. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give that a little zhuzh just to get everything kind of mixed in. And then we're gonna go ahead and cover that. And their recommendation is to cook this for about 11 to 12 minutes for a half a bag and about 14 minutes for a full bag. In my experience, it took a bit longer than that. So I'm gonna come back, stir this occasionally, and then I will tell you at the end of it how long it took me to make this half bag of it. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. Now, as I'm stirring here, I did go ahead and flip over the sauce bricks, and I flipped over the pasta nests and zhuzhed around the meatballs a little bit just to kind of keep everything cooking a little bit more evenly. Okay guys, so we are at 11 minutes right now. For me and my preference, the sauce is way too liquidy right now. Even if the meatballs are done, I'm going to keep cooking it because I want the sauce to be less runny. Okay, so one of those meatballs was done, one was not, so it's definitely not ready to go yet. It has been 15 minutes now, so I'm gonna go ahead and check the meatballs just to make sure that they are fully done. All right, those are all done. In this instance, always make sure to check several meatballs because you never know. They could be different temperatures. So for me, about 15 minutes in the skillet for a half bag. If you are making a full bag, that might mean that you would need closer to 20 minutes perhaps to get yours all the way done. It's gonna depend on the surface area of your skillet. But there you have it. This is our completed Chef Boyardee frozen spaghetti and meatballs. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.